Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in the packaging when you purchase a gauge. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 7-color series 6-gauge custom dashboard set. It's available in a black face with a clear lens, black face with a tinted lens, and a white face with a clear lens. Right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm fuel level gauge, water temperature gauge, a volt gauge, oil pressure gauge, and a 3 3/4 speedometer and tachometer. Also inside the packaging, you'll see all your mounting brackets and hardware, 2-foot power harnesses with 6-foot sensor wires, a 2-foot power harness for your volt gauge, a 2-foot power harness for your oil pressure gauge, a water temperature sensor with bullet style connectors, a 9-foot sensor harness for your oil pressure gauge, an oil pressure sensor, a 7-color shift light, a fine-tune adjustment tool for your speedometer, gauge visors for sun glare, and all of your installation instructions. If you need any vehicle-specific installation accessories, feel free to visit our website at glowshiftgauges.com.